SpaceX's Starship, the Sentinel-2C satellite launch. Our world is expanding, and with it, our view of the universe. SpaceX's Starship stands as a beacon of this cosmic expansion. Meet Sentinel-2C, the latest in remote sensing satellite technology. A marvel designed to enhance our understanding of Earth's resources. Starship, SpaceX's most powerful rocket yet, is prepped to deliver Sentinel-2C into space. This mission pushes the boundaries of our exploration capabilities. Witness the countdown, the electrifying moment before the engines ignite. The anticipation is palpable as we prepare for this groundbreaking launch. Experience the sheer power of Starship as it propels Sentinel-2C into orbit. This is science and innovation at their most thrilling. Join us in tracking Sentinel-2C's journey. Its data will aid in managing our resources, understanding climate change, and protecting our planet. Finally, as Starship returns home, we are reminded of the human spirit's strength. SpaceX's Starship and Sentinel-2C, a celebration of innovation and discovery.